Hi everyone. Kevin asked me to share what RCT has been doing. We use Google Forms like every day. It's a way for us to kind of track kids, whether it's just the put your name in your hour and that we trust that you are doing the lesson, and so it's a way for us to track kids and make sure they're getting online. Do quizzes for points. That's kind of brought us to gave us a lot of structure and at least to be able to count for kids. The other thing is that we do, or at least I don't know what everybody else has been doing, but I ask kids to show up for Google Meets as a class, and I get like 8 out of the 29. Um, and when everybody does show up, everybody kind of stares at each other like a awkward Zoom meeting, and nobody really says anything. It's kind of like those family Zoom meetings that everybody just kind of sits and stares at the screen. Um, so what I found better was Flipgrids. I know a lot of people are using those. It's not new news by any means, but Flipgrids is a way for those kids just to get on, and it feels a little bit more personal to little drool. Uh, feel a little more personal and actually get to hear some cool stories about their kids. So that's kind of what we're doing. Those are kind of our bread and butters, or at least mine, and our Chem CT, and makes things a little bit easier.